Today we are going to learn about the drawer widget. Drawer is used to hide and display a list of menus. For example, we use drawer for quick navigation to certain screens. In a shopping mall app, we can use the drawer for quick navigation to user profile page or even cart page. We will define a drawer in the scaffold of our home screen. We will also declare our own drawer header. Now, let's get started. Today we are going to learn about the drawer widget. The drawer is a widget that comes out when we press on the left list button of the app bar, and when we set it to the scope structure, the app bar button is automatically generated. Children of drawer mainly use list view and make it by dividing it into header and item parts. Headers are created using the drawer header of user account's drawer header widget. The item part is created using the list tile widget. Let's take a look at this example code. Drawers are mainly used through a drawer property of the scope. The drawer's child is generally a list view with a drawer header as the first child that displays status information about the current user. Create a drawer header that contains simple information. Set the header to blue as decoration, a text widget with a child representing the string "This is drawer header." Execute the code with this example. As you can see, there is a button for drawer, and you can see a drawer header here. Insert the icon widget into the current account picture and set the value to the universal and fundamental profile icon account circle. Account name sets up a text widget that represents Peter because it means the user's name. Account email refers to the user's email. The content is not that important, so roughly put it in any value. On detail, pressed callback is similar to the drop-down button. We can add a detail page here. So as you can see, there is a account circle icon and the name and the email. Shall we change it to a picture instead of an icon? We will load the photo into the current account picture via the image network. It needs to be rounded, so wrap the image with clip oval and set the size to 50 by 50 and give an option with box fit cover to fill the oval. We will use the image link that we preferred in advance. So let's try running this code. As you can see, a new picture is added in the current account picture. Set the item part to list tile. For example, application configuration, logout, shopping basket, profile details, and other options can be expanded to many areas for use. First, we are going to set up two list tiles. It doesn't have to be complicated, so we are just going to put icons in the leading property and write the title of the list tile. And you can see that two list tiles are there for the items in the drawer. Now practice this for yourself in Dartpad or locally and see the different results and outputs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.